Dishwasher. You have a dishwasher? Okay, so what does that say? Built with O plus quality, reliable and pride. Reliability and pride. Where's that model number? It's got like 5 A's on the bottom, 4 A's, 3 zeros, 4, a 2, a 0, X, NA 195. Okay, so this one, there's a schematic on it. Basically what I did is, it's hard to hear the compressor from the fan. And this one's basically dead. So what happens is, I've disconnected the fan. You just try and run the compressor itself. Nothing happens, it just hums. So what we're going to try and do is we're going to try and hammer on this thing at the same time we push the relay on and see if it might kick in. Let's see now. We could probably also do a short test. Ideally you want to have a mega ohm meter and see if any of these wires here are grounded. This capacitor may be shot, but that fan right there goes fine. It's possible part of this capacitor is shot. That capacitor is not jumping and getting enough of a boost. That's not going to start that compressor. So ideally we want to test this capacitor. I do have a capacity meter here somewhere, but it's getting kind of late, and I don't want to get suspect into all kinds of other issues, right? At this bank, I don't want to mess around, in other words.